are, bright and early. Well, Jesse, bright and early. I kind of hung around the house for an extra hour just because I was sick of coming in early for one day that I came in early. Anyhow, I'm over here working on Bobbie's turbo kit. I got it all torn apart, but I'm just welding it up. Getting ready to weld up his other header, and then I gotta put it all together and then mark and weld the other side of the hot side. Well, I was trying to fit all this up, and I just kept moving the turbo around to see if I could fit the 5-inch exhaust, because I really want to do 5-inch exhaust on this car, and I'm not going to give up on that. So there's really no way to do it the way I was trying to do the turbo, with a nice clean straight shot from the other side. You know, sometimes you tack up a bunch of pieces and end up being a waste of time, but you know, then you just try something else. So I'm going to cut my tacks. I'm going to try to twist the turbo more of an angle, like a 45 or something like that. That way the cold side pipe will literally just be a straight shot to the carburetor. We'll just do a 45 bend in it. It'll be super simple. And the exhaust will be a lot easier to try to get out this front fender, because that's our goal, is to get out the front, in front of the front tire. Because it's really hard to fit anything anywhere else on these cars with the stupid A-arm suspension. I'm going to get back after it. And now I'm getting ready to try to figure out how I'm going to do the passenger side. It's going to be a little tricky. I'll have to make some tight bends, but I mean, nothing I haven't done before. It just takes time trimming up, making sure you cut into the bend just enough to where it looks right, doesn't look funny, but gets you where you need to go. I'm not a pie cut guy. I hate pie cuts. So, you know, if I can get away from doing that, I'll do that. I'm going to continue on another day messing with this Nova, and I got the hot side welded up and the wastegates on. That's it. Just have to do the turbo mount and finish weld it. I'm feeling ambitious. I really want to try to get this done today or by the latest tomorrow, because I would really like to try to get on the dyno. Get on the dyno this week, because Bobbie decided that he's going to go ahead and have his dyno tune it, which would be really fun if we could get on the dyno Friday. What do you think, Jesse? What? Would that be cool to get this on the dyno Friday?
Oh, hell yeah.
That's kind of what I was thinking.
Make some power pulls.
Make some power. He really makes me nervous about it having terrible parts inside of it. I was like, so it's got a good bottom end? No. Okay. Just some cast iron heads and hypertectic pistons, and he said it's got a steel crank in it.
Yeah.
But it's a small block Chevy. It'll make 1,000,000 horsepower and last 100 years. So, right? No. But it'll sound good doing it as long as it'll last.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to hear this thing fire up. I'm so sick of hearing LS's. They sound like tractors compared to small block Chevys. I don't know what it is. They just sound better.